mamas, welcome back to my channel. Today is going to be a cleaning video. I am going to be cleaning my kitchen and also my living room, so I'm diving right in by putting things up back where they belong. So let's get it started. So if you are new here, I just want to introduce myself. My name is Ariel. I am a mom of 3 and also a wife. I do cleaning and organizing videos. Don't get me wrong, so in this video, I got on my Simply in Play shirt. So if you do not know, I started a business last June and I am now selling planners and also organizing homes. So I do have a Instagram and I'm going to pop it up on the screen, and I would love for my YouTube family to go follow my business page. And if you are into planning or would like to purchase a planner, please consider supporting me and purchasing one of my planners. I will have my website in the description box. This is my time. I'm feeling good, rule every party. See how I shine when I'm alone, nothing can stop me. You should go out, meet someone else, someone who gets you. Don't stick around, I'm pretty wild, I don't do monogamy. Don't get me wrong, you and I could have fun together when I feel done with having fun on my own. It's better to care for yourself, not rely on somebody else. So now that everything is pretty much cleared off the table and counters and floors, I'm going to go in and start doing the dishes. I still have to hand wash dishes, but in order for me to feel like my dishes is clean, y'all, I have to use Dawn soap and a little sprinkle of bleach, and then that helps me, you know, feel much better about my hand washing dishes. To point out, I just recently started using the Scrub Daddies and I love them, y'all. I think I used them one time before, but I got the Scrub Mommy, but I prefer the Scrub Daddy. I mean, I don't know what I was missing. If you want love, just give it up. You got the wrong girl. You got the wrong, you got the wrong, you got the wrong girl. You got the wrong, you got the wrong, you got the wrong. Okay, now I'm gonna go in and just clear off the counters and give it a good wipe down with my Lysol cleaner. And also I'm gonna be doing the same thing to the stove and the microwave, and just, you know, finishing up the middle half of the kitchen, as I call it, the counter space.
One step forward, 2 steps backwards, yeah. Immature lover who don't use big words, yeah. I don't need convincing at all because I know what I want. Baby, can't you figure it out? What's going on in your heart? What's it gonna take for you to love, take for you to love me? What's it gonna take for you to show, take for you to show feels, yeah. I've been trying to take it slow, but my patience low. Think it's time you let me know. What's it gonna take for you to love, take for you to love me? Yeah.
Okay, moving right along into the refrigerator. I need to go in and just pull out stuff. I don't know about y'all, but my kids drink things and don't finish it, so I don't know what belongs to who. So I'm just gonna pour all of that out, just get everything straightened up. I do have to go grocery shopping, so it will not be a restock of my fridge, but just a wipe down and just getting it prepared for me to restock it.
One step forward, two steps backwards, yeah. Time's about run out to use those big words, yeah. I don't need convincing at all because I know what I want. Baby, dig deep, it's time to make a move on my heart. What's it gonna take for you to love, take for you to love me? What's it gonna take for you to show, take for you to show feels, yeah. I've been trying to take it slow, but my patience low. Think it's time you let me know. What's it gonna take for you to love, take for you to love me?
So going in with just hot water and some Lysol, I am going to be wiping down my cabinet. So now I am going into the living room. Y'all, it's not bad. I'm just going to be pretty much doing the usual vacuuming, wiping down my surfaces, and I have a bag of stuff that I'm bagging right now. They're going to donation. We have been decluttering. I wanted to do that for the new year, so these are some items that I am going to be donating.
Here I am, know it's been a while. I was in denial about my love. Here I stand, I know I walked away. Had to find the person
Okay, so this is my O-cedar unboxing. I know a lot of people in the community already have these mops, but I am new to this. I got this as a Christmas / birthday gift since my birthday is 3 days after Christmas. But to rate it, I'm going to give it a 10 out of 10. I really enjoyed it. I like it. The only thing I would change about it is if the mop head was bigger, because it will cover more ground. But other than that, it's great.
You should go back home, go back home, go back home, go. Just been there all along. You should go back home, go back home, go back home, go. That's where you belong.
Y'all, honestly, this is what sold me on this mop. I always wanted something that I could clean my walls with, and because I can mop and clean my walls at the same time was a game changer for me, and that's what made me rate it a 10 out of 10. Okay, this is the end of my video, and if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button, and as always, I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye.